Hello everyone, welcome to another ItsMantax video. Today is Drawing Tuesday, so I'll be drawing Mr. Chance Morris, also known as Sodapoppin. That's it for now, and I guess I'll let you watch today's video.
We chase the leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I guess that's it. I know it still looks scuffed as fuck, but I tried my best. So what should I draw next? Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to leave a like or subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Take care.